everybody, I am Jala. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about some confusing prepositional expressions. Some students make mistakes in usage of some prepositional expressions. So let's begin. At the end or in the end seems similar, but they are different in meanings. We use at the end when something ends. For example, at the end of the concert, at the end of the lesson, at the end of April. We were very tired at the end of the match. I asked some questions to check the students' understanding at the end of the lesson. The opposite of at the end is at the beginning. At the beginning of the day, I was very fine, but at the end of the day, I was very exhausted. And what is in the end? It means finally. We use in the end when we say what the final result of a situation was. For example, in the end, you got everything what I wanted to say. I tried a lot in the end and I could achieve my aim. The opposite of in the end is usually at first. At first we didn't understand each other, but in the end we became good friends. Let's speak about prepositions of time. Do you know how to use prepositions with holidays? We say at Christmas, at New Year, but we say on Christmas Day, on New Year Day. We don't say at Christmas Day. With the names of the week, we use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday. With the names of the seasons, we use in summer, in winter, and we say in October, in December, in March. With the names of the parts of a day, we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, at midnight. But we don't use on, in, at, before, last, next, every, this. For example, we don't say on every Friday. We say every Friday, this Friday, next Friday, last Friday, every morning, this morning, every summer, this summer, last summer, next summer. We say on weekdays, but we say at weekends. I work only on weekdays. I don't work at weekends. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but we say on Monday evening, on Friday morning. Let's learn the difference between on time and in time. On time means punctual, not late. If something happens on time, it means something happens at the time which was planned. For example, we'll meet at 8 o'clock. Don't be late, be there at 8 o'clock. And what is in time? In time means not too late, soon enough. We can also say in time for something or in time to do something. I'll be in time for your party, soon enough for your party. Let's hurry up. I don't want to miss anything. I wanna be in time for the film, soon enough for the film. I think it's not too late. You do everything in time to learn English. Now let's check your understanding. Which is correct? A or B? We'll meet this morning. Yes, it's B. We'll meet this morning. I was paid of the month. A at the end, B in the end. Yes, it's A. I was paid at the end of the month. My watch was slow. It was out of order. I had to buy a new one. A in the end, B at the end. Yes, it is A. In the end, I had to buy a new one. I had a good time in the country last summer. Yes, it's B. I had a good time in the country last summer. We don't use any prepositions. It's very rainy. Please come. Don't be too late. I don't want to get wet. A on time, B in time. Yes, it's A. Please come on time. Our meeting will be Friday. Yes, it's A. Our meeting will be on Friday. I know the train arrives at 9. I'll be there. I don't want to be late. Yes, it's A. I'll be there in time. So I hope you learned something new from the lesson, and you'll never confuse the usage of these prepositions. Keep on learning English with me. See you!